Welcome, stars. There's a very interesting time here. You see this? We've got Mercury and the Sun exactly conjunct. And they're going to be conjunct and at a critical degree. Look at that, right? So we've got like on the 18th, Mercury 2837, which is 29 degrees. The Sun 2857, which is 29 degrees. So these are going to be at 29 degrees. This is April 18th. And you've got Venus essentially at 5 degrees. Communication and information, people in charge, our freedoms of our bodies. What we do see is Jupiter here trining Mars. You see that? Jupiter is trining Mars. And that is a lovely thing. When Mars and Jupiter trine, it's beneficial activity, beneficial actions. So beneficial actions with our bodies for the group. Jupiter is going to, Mars will for a very short time be trining Jupiter. If there are people who've been ill or sick, but Jupiter can bring some ease to you, especially if you've been having any respiratory issues. Jupiter trining Mars will be beneficial. Find out where Gemini and where Aquarius energy is in your chart, then you can figure out where this will be a benefit for you in your life. So then we move up, got the Sun in Taurus, we've got Mercury in Taurus, we've got Venus in Taurus and Uranus in Taurus. This is all around April 20th. This is all about our values. So our thoughts, the Sun is lighting up our values, our money, our resources. We're really sitting there saying, okay, I have to really figure out what is truly most important to me, right? We think this is important, that's important. We've got handfuls of things. We've got tons of material things surrounding us. And we have to really say to ourselves, what is really, really important here? And we're digging deep. We're trying to find out. I also have to make another mention here about Sirius. This is Sirius right here. So Sirius is at 23 degrees in Aries. Eventually, Sirius is going to get closer to squaring Pluto. I want you guys to be aware of that. Sirius is our food, okay? So if it squares Pluto, just keep that in mind. You're keeping that in mind because of the reason that your favorite brand of something may not be available in the store. There's transformations that are going to be happening. Something is going to occur. Pluto transforms long-standing structures in civilization. We're using outdated systems, whether it's for your work or your culture, your religion, your society, your family, whatever that may be, but it's big institutions, things changing. So we move up, April 22nd, you've got the Sun at 3 degrees, 251, the Sun at 3 degrees, okay? You've got Mercury at 7, you've got Venus conjunct Uranus. You would expect to hear most definitely in the news different things with money. Uranus, Taurus is about your money and your values, folks, okay? Uranus is a planet that's full of surprises. It's very unique and different. A rebel. The way it moves is very different. It's very unique. It is important to note that this erratic planet can affect your life in a variety of ways depending upon how you cope with change. That's another key word, change. When Uranus is around, it says it's time to break the mold. We've been making cookies using the same cookie cutter for eons. Let's get new cookie cutters with a different shape, or let's throw out the cookie cutters and make shapes with our own hands. It says it's time for something new because that's what Uranus is. It's inventions. Uranus is the internet. Uranus is new. What's going to happen is as we've got Mercury and Venus and Uranus here at that mark, right? 7, 8, 9, 10 degree mark. This is fixed Earth energy, okay? Saturn is in fixed air, which means as Venus gets to 10 degrees, it'll be squaring Saturn. So the square means it's stressful, it causes tension. When Mercury gets there, it's information. That's when we're really hearing it, right? Mercury's going to catch up. So Mercury's going to get there. We're going to be hearing information that we're probably not going to be real thrilled with. So Mars at 29 degrees, any time a planet hits 29 degrees, it's considered a critical degree. Okay? It's some sort of a testing time, some sort of a very uncomfortable time. We get information of some sort because it's in Gemini. Information, absolutely. Now, I want to point out that this is in the United States 5th house, so that would be the stock exchange. 5th house is how we gamble, and so Saturn squaring that, this will be interesting. We've now got Mars at 0 degrees of Cancer. Cancer is emotions. Cancer is emotion, so keep that in mind. Mars heats things up, so you're going to be practicing all of your best practices for your health and your emotions. Kumbaya, start singing, meditating, finding spiritual activities. Yes, this is water. It's a creative activity, but it is also the emotions. All right, this is important. This is family and home and mom, Mars energy. It could simply be in your own life being more active with mom, being more active with family members. Remember, folks, just be smart.